A fresh lemonade can be great any time of the year. And recently in restaurants and bars, a fresh lemonade option can be a great LTO or even a great to-go beverage option too, especially when batched for the right volume. My name is Tony Pereira, and today I'll be using SupHerb Farms ginger puree along with cucumber juice, mint, and a fresh lemonade, giving you a clean and refreshing lemonade option any time of the year. For our first ingredient, we're gonna be adding our fresh ginger puree. We'll be adding a ½ ounce, and just a ½ ounce because it is very potent and a little does go a long way. We're gonna be adding 1 ounce of our fresh cucumber juice, and we'll be adding 5 ounces of our fresh lemonade. Now we have all of our ingredients inside our glass. We're ready to add some ice. Make sure we get to the top with all the ice, and now we're ready to shake. We shake for a good, maybe 5-7 seconds. Make sure we get all that out. And now we're gonna strain directly into our service glass. Now we're gonna garnish with a lemon wheel, a couple of our fresh mint sprigs. And what I like to do with these mint sprigs is just give it a little slap, just to wake up that mint. And we're gonna tie that right into the cocktail. And then we have 1 beautiful cucumber ribbon just to lay on top. And now we have our ginger, cucumber, and mint lemonade.